Hey everyone, welcome back to Fit Fin Relate. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an informative video like this one. Today we're diving into a sensitive yet extremely important topic: healing from narcissistic abuse. Remember, I'm not a mental health professional, so today's discussion is intended for informational purposes and should not replace professional advice. The nature of narcissistic abuse. Before we jump into the healing process, let's quickly recap what narcissistic abuse is. Narcissistic abuse is a form of emotional and psychological abuse primarily perpetrated by individuals who have narcissistic personality disorder, NPD. This abuse can manifest in various ways such as gaslighting, manipulation, and emotional neglect. The complexity of healing. Healing from narcissistic abuse is rarely straightforward. You're not just healing from a relationship gone wrong. You're healing from a set of manipulations that deeply affect your self-esteem and personal life. So, let's talk about the stages involved in this healing journey. Recognition and acknowledgement. The first step in healing is recognizing and acknowledging that you have been a victim of abuse. Without this acknowledgement, it's impossible to move forward. No contact or low contact. Creating distance between you and your abuser is crucial. This could mean physical distance and also emotional distance, like not checking their social media accounts. Seek professional help. Speaking to a mental health professional who specializes in emotional abuse or narcissistic abuse can provide you with the tools to heal properly. How long does it take to heal? This is a commonly asked question, but it's also a difficult one to answer. The time it takes to heal from narcissistic abuse varies widely from person to person. Factors that influence the duration include the length and severity of the abuse, your personal resilience and coping mechanisms, the support system you have in place. But one thing is sure, healing is a process. It takes time and effort, and it's okay to have setbacks along the way. Tips for speeding up the healing process. While there's no shortcut to healing, some strategies can aid the process. Educate yourself. The more you know about narcissistic abuse, the less confusing and overwhelming it will be. Stay active. Physical activity releases endorphins, which naturally elevates your mood and may help offset some of the emotional pain. Connect with others. Join support groups or talk to friends who understand what you're going through. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone can be incredibly healing. Remember, healing is not linear. There will be good days and bad days, but each step you take towards recovery is a victory. You've survived the abuse, and now it's time to thrive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Take care, everyone. Keep fighting, keep healing, and I'll see you in the next video.